TATE 4-gun fully automatic stud welding machine allows welding, galvanizing, layer removal and other functions to be completed on one machine, saving manpower and material resources and improving welding efficiency. Equipped with a laser to remove galvanized layers, making welding easier and improving nail seating efficiency and quality. It adopts CNC control, supports drawing import, and automatically generates welding programs, which is very simple. All its parameters are adjustable, simple to operate, and convenient to use. It adopts fully automatic operation, automatically removes the galvanized layer, automatically installs studs, and automatically welds to improve production efficiency. It is suitable for a variety of nail specifications and has a variety of welding methods to choose from to meet different welding needs. It is small in size, easy to install and saves production space. Reduce costs with factory direct sourcing. No middlemen make the difference. OEM, ODM available.